We open up in the Premiership where 85 days and 11 games into his tenure as Swansea manager, Bob Bradley has been fired by the struggling Swans. A 4-1 home loss to West Ham on Monday, the club's third in a row, the seventh in 11 matches under Bradley. It is worth mentioning that Swansea had lost 6 of 9 before he took over from Francesco Guidolin. A statement released by Swansea today says, "We're sorry to lose Bob after such a short period of time. Unfortunately, things haven't worked out as we planned. We felt we had to make the change with half the Premier League season still remaining. With the club going through such a tough time, we have to try and find the answer to get ourselves out of trouble." That from Hugh Jenkins, the Swansea chairman. Now, Bob Bradley became the first American to manage in the Premiership when he replaced Guidolin back in October. The bright spots, a draw away at Everton and home wins over Crystal Palace and Sunderland.